Hello and welcome back. Today we will walk through how to properly install EnduraFlood wall panels around windows. EnduraFlood is commonly installed in homes that face flooding or water damage and can be installed seamlessly along window edges. Before installing EnduraFlood around windows for the first time, we recommend gaining experience installing the panels in other areas of the home. When working around windows, we recommend working from the window out towards other areas of the room, as shown in this installation. You can see how we prepared the wall by adding blocking to the outside of our king studs and then preparing our horizontal trim along the wall to meet up with the window casing as shown here. We then start by measuring the width of the window apron and mount a piece of UNI-TRIM right underneath the apron. Now we prepare and mount out UNI-TRIM corner pieces. One in each corner. We then pre-cut our board to be centered on the window and slide it snugly into the UNI-TRIM. As always, use a hand lift to support the board and install your base clip or base flip. Connect your next vertical UNI-TRIM and you are ready to finish your wall. Congratulations, you just learned how to install EnduraFlood around windows.